John Kavakis here with a much belated version of my take that's going to detail some of the prototypes that we got from GLM and Stamp in March during our Chicago Shenanigans weekends back then. So most of these are going to be available at your dealers now, some of them very soon. We'll get a chance to take a look at what they sent. They're always very generous in supporting the shows. We'll be taking a look at some of their 143rd offerings. This is Stamp's 1953 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. This is in gloss green. They're going to have it in two other colors at least. It's an absolutely beautiful model. The paint on this is amazing. As you can see, the accuracy, fidelity is really excellent. It's a wonderful model, and I believe these are available at your dealers now. Here's their stunning 1963 Eldorado Biarritz. The paint, this emerald green paint, is just incredible. Be it available in three different colors, top up and top down. Stamp just goes all out when they're doing their Cadillacs, you know that. This is an absolutely incredible, stunning model. I can hardly wait to see the rest of the colors. Here's one I've been eagerly waiting for, 1967 Dodge Charger. It's going to be available in three colors. I'm really looking forward to doing the review on this one. It's one of my favorite designs. I love those fastbacks, and they were a huge thing back in the mid-60s and the late 60s. But I want to be able to give you a good look at the interior on this because they really knocked it out of the park on this. 1967 Dodge Charger should be showing up at your dealers real soon. Here's another one I've been waiting to see. It's 1969 Camaro SS RS. They've got the standard version in three different colors. Really nice, great dog dish hubcaps on this. Nice looking car. But that pace car. Once again, I'm looking forward to doing a full review on this one. The detail on the pace car is absolutely incredible. Wait till you see the interior. We've got a preview out of it in Chicago in March. I'll be doing a full review on it real soon. Here's another model that Stamp does a great job with. This is 1980 Cadillac Superior Hearse. Incredible detail, incredible fidelity, incredible interiors. They even have coffins inside. Once again, I'm looking forward to doing the full review on this one here, show you some of the interior pictures on that. But it's just a quick preview. It's going to be available in three different colors. They're adding a silver as well. For you guys that are looking, they're collecting hearses, this is going to be a winner for you. That's it for now. We want to thank Stamp and GLM for their support of the shows. We thank Goldvarg, who supports the show every year as well. Brooklyn throws in with both feet every time. We got a lot of help in the booth, all of our volunteers that help us. Looking forward to having another Chicago Shenanigans next year in March in Chicago. Maybe we'll have some other stuff in the meantime too. So I look forward to spending more time with you. I got full reviews coming up sometime in the next week or so. Thanks for tuning in.